Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
I'm able to use the songs that I didn't make in this video because I am either friends with the musician or it's available through Creative Commons. You can't just take your favorite song and put it in a YouTube video, unless it's under Creative Commons and with proper credit. So don't go thinking that you can after hearing music that isn't my own in my video. The songs used in this video are linked in the description, as they always are.
Well, there's the mountain view. It would be pretty, I think. Maybe. But we're about to check out. I think we're going to be...
Like
I have no idea. But I think we're going to be checking out at 10:59 and 59 seconds. We're enjoying every second of the room. I'm lying. We're going to be leaving here in a second. But, yeah, that's the view. And we're going to be heading out right now. Jeez. You know, I can carry some of that. Actually, I think you could get Aaron's backpack. You got a little bit of your back showing. In the snowy Alps of outside Salt Lake City.
Can I drive on this?
No, because I don't want to ruin the undercarriage. I don't know what it would do.
And I tried salt.
Tastes like somebody peed on it.
It tastes like salt. And I think I might pee on it too.
Nice, here comes somebody else. Do you really want to drive on this?
Yeah.
I guess you can take over driving for a little
That's
bit.
what you do, drive. You drive.
They filmed a lot of movies and commercials. Scan it or take a card. Okay, she scanned it. We're in Orange P West. We made it to Salt Lake City. That's what the parking garage was all about. Where it's downtown, a shopping center that's fairly unique. I like it. I'd like the bathroom first though.
What did you say?
So I like to find a bathroom. I'd like to find a bathroom. But
I came here because the smaller is unique.
it is.
Oh, you know why?
Why?
Look, it actually opens.
Ooh.
And there's creeks inside.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. They have an American Eagle Outfitters. That's pretty cool.
I bet the roof is closed because of the smoke.
Yeah, I bet so. Yeah, that's why Aaron and I are wearing masks. Not for COVID reasons, just because I don't want to get smoke in my lungs. Although, I mean, I barely get anything in there, but I mean, why not, right? Kind of like wearing a mask anyway. Okay. Oh, just to let you know, you didn't see much of this day because there wasn't much to see this day. It's pretty much 95% drive footage. And you'll probably have to do it at like 10 times speed.
That was pretty boring.
It was very boring.
Too much smoke footage.
Right, and flat, and yeah. Just wanted to show, even though we're in the bathroom. Now it looks like we're still in the bathroom, right? And now, we're still in the bathroom. Really bizarre. We're at the upstairs part of these malls are really laid out interesting. They're in like pods. It's really cool looking. Even if the mall itself is unfortunately a lot of just chain stuff. It's funny, they keep teasing a food court, but I don't think there actually is one.
There's a food court right there.
Oh! Oh, right there? Oh. Alright. I love being proved immediately wrong. Another cool... Their water features are really cool.
I know, and it's cool that like it's outdoors and indoors and like,
Oh, and they have a Johnny Rocket! Woo!
it's like we're at Six Flags.
You would have thought they changed the name by now.
Yeah, no kidding. How did it get transferred to Salt Lake City?
Well, still, you changed the name. That's weird.
I think this was built after.
Well, it does look like it.
I mean, I don't think this was here in 2000.
I don't know, that doesn't seem to be in good taste. Yeah, that's not the building I was thinking of. It was... Yeah.
You're thinking of the actual.
The temple, it looks like... It's weird. Like almost like a spaceship. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, something feels a bit gross. Again, the gateway. Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Worldwide, but basically America. Whoop, we finally did it. The pinnacle of our vacation, the month-long journey to see the state capital of Utah. Actually, it looks pretty cool. It looks a lot like Jefferson Memorial.
I'm thinking of
The state capital?
not state capital.
Yeah, that's what I meant, state capital. So should we
Building
see?
in Washington D.C.
Alright, we'll look. Yeah. The Church History Library, the Conference Center, one of the temples. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Yeah. And there's one of its administrative buildings. Quite a racket they got going on.
Joseph Smith Memorial.
It is a pretty building.
No.
Alright, well, whatever. We are at room 212 at the... What's the name of this place?
Metropolitan Inn. It's so metropolitan. Look at the picture of the bed.
What the? I didn't even notice that's on that. But you
Well,
said...
it's like movies. Like
Yeah,
it's old timey metropolitan.
Gotcha.
It's fancy.
It's fancy. Alright, we had lunch, or did lunch. Well, we had breakfast, lunch, and dinner at Del Taco.
This is how I roll.
Yeah.
No, we had peanut butter and jellies in the car.
Oh, that's true. And then we went to Smith's to get, I need razor blades. And you need to buy candy for work.
And I got this for work. Cinnamon bears.
But while you were checking in, you probably noticed that there was a real sped up video where it looked like we were laughing and having a good time, and we were. But unfortunately, you don't know what we were talking about. So let's try to relive the moment.
Okay.
All right. So what did you find? Why were you laughing coming back from the check-in process?
Okay, so you know how you say that these are always flyover states?
They definitely are.
Well, yeah, because look where they're telling you to go.
Well, yeah, but we're like Havasu City. That's like 8.5 hours away, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, we'll look it up later. I originally thought it was 12 hours.
Don't forget the great city of
Kingman. I don't think anybody's ever said the great city and Kingman in the same sentence before. But yeah, it's so weird. Yeah, Salt Lake City has so much to offer. They want you to send you. They're advertising 8.5 hours
look,
away.
on the back of Kingman's, it's like, look, only 103 miles to Vegas, 170 miles to Grand Canyon, 472 to Albuquerque, 185 to Phoenix, San Diego, and Los Angeles. It's like in the heart of all of that greatness.
Well, yeah, I guess
But it's not
that's
like it's
true.
It's not like it's day trips.
Yeah, no, it's like, yeah, stay here, stay the night here, and then you can get over to the place you really want to go the next day. And there's a brochure to tell you about it. Anyway, yeah,
that's like a ton of
yeah.
stuff.
Show us Havasu real quick.
Oh wait, this is Kingman's. Look at.
That's a lot of crap. That's a lot of circles.
Poster.
Yeah.
And like Havasu is like a phone book almost. It's like.
Oh, there's a table of contents even.
Yeah, there's
Wow.
pages and pages. And
Although
pages.
Havasu does have more to offer, but still not.
I mean, there's pages. How many? There's 40. Wow, look at this is cool. There's even a pull-out map of Havasu.
Nice for our bathroom wall. Wow, with a big
The medical
big map and then
district.
the medical.
I didn't know there was a medical district in Lake Havasu.
There wasn't a medical. Well, actually, there was a small medical district.
Oh look, there's like 94 things there, and they're all listed on the city map.
Okay, we're in Salt Lake City for tonight.
Yeah, you didn't know. We're not even close to these cities.
And what's the vibe you get from the city? One word?
confusing?
Creepy. I think creepy is a better word.
I kind of like it, but
I
I'm
like it. It's
confused
beautiful.
by
The downtown is great, but
But
I
I'm
just.
confused by it.
What are you confused by?
I don't know
All
what they're
the-
trying to be.
Trying to be a church city.
Like that
and they're
trolley,
succeeding.
like there's stuff that's cool.
Oh, there are stuff
Like the
that's cool.
trolley thing, and I don't know.
Oh no.
Because I haven't gotten into some of the restaurants we went by were really cool, but we just ate at Del Taco.
Cheap, and we love Del Taco.
I know.
And we had to go out and
And
do
we
other
might not
things.
see it again.
Right. And let's see. Do we have anything else to add about today? And not what's 8.5 hours away?
No.
No? Okay. Well, with all that being said, it's been an interesting day. We might be getting out of here first thing tomorrow.
No, that's not true.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Okay, well, that'll be exciting for all of us. You'll find
I
out.
have to check my work emails because I might be going to BioFire, and if that's the case, you guys just have to find something else to do. And there is a museum we can go to for free. And why am I in the dark?
I don't know. Because the light is right behind your head. All right, well, we'll see what happens. But you'll see what happens on the next episode of Aaron Press the Button Perks. Aaron Press the Button.